Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Just trying to get the... I don't know if you knew this or not, but my bro BC Jerbs and I have been live streaming the last 2-3 months. And it was every Friday at 5. Ouch. And some things happened at work, so I told him, I have to work Friday evenings now. I have to close. I work till 8 o'clock. Nothing I can do about it. I get home to about 8:30. I still have weekends off, and he said, he basically said, no problem. We just moved the live to Saturdays. So if you haven't been, if you hadn't seen my community, I made a couple of community tab posts and said, hey, I'll be live streaming with my bro Jerbs. So if you wanted to swing by and check out the live, you're always welcome to do so. If you want to sub my bro's channel, would be appreciated. He's a cool guy, cool dude. We just chat about random stuff. Just we'll talk about knives, EDC. I think one time we talked about movies and just stuff like that. So we're on about an hour and a half, pretty consistently. I would host, except that for some reason when I send the links out so people can join, they're not going through. So maybe I'll try to get with them, and maybe we'll try to do some testing and try to figure out why it's not doing that. But in the meantime, every Saturday about 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Pacific time, you're welcome to swing by. I'll link Jerb's channel below, and Card will have his link as well. So yeah, so have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your week. Well, I guess tomorrow's Friday, so new video tomorrow, and I got videos coming up this weekend. So have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.